Gentlemen, I'd like to take a moment to introduce your flight crew. I am Jan, your flight leader. I'm assisted by Casey and Natalie in the main cabin, and together we're going to do all we can to make sure your Delta experience is a wonderful one. Although safety is our top priority, at Delta we do focus on customer service. If there is anything we can do to make your flight more comfortable, we want you to let us know. We'd like to extend a warm welcome back and a thank you to our frequent flyers. We'd also like to recognize our premium flyers, especially our platinum, gold, and silver medallion members. We really appreciate your business and your loyalty. For those guests who are not members of our frequent flyer program, we invite you to visit our website at delta.com and join our Sky Miles program. And let me tell you about what we have planned for the flight. The captain has informed us that our flying time is approximately 1 hour and 15 minutes. After the seatbelt sign has been turned off, your flight crew will start our in-flight service. Your choice of complimentary Coca-Cola products and a choice of 2 snacks, which are Biscuit cookies or peanuts. If you would like to purchase an adult beverage, there please offer beer, wine, margaritas, mixed drinks, and our signature cocktail, the Mile High Mojito. And those are a cost of $7. American Express cards are warmly welcomed on board all Delta flights. Use your Delta Sky Miles credit card from American Express and earn Delta miles on all onboard purchases. We also accept cash and most major credit cards, with credit cards being our preferred method of payment. We'd like to thank you for your attention and enjoy your flight.